Step one for cooking the perfect steak, exactly the way I like it. And this is grass-fed and grass-finished. So first, we got our regular propane barbecue here. I'm just gonna sit. I gotta turn the propane on. Okay, so we're gonna start the barbecue. I'm just cooking for 2 people, so 2 people down. I'm gonna set it to max temp. Let it heat up, get it super hot. Probably shoot for about 300-400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, we got our ribeye grass-fed, grass-finished steak. Simple prep work here. Pop this down on the plate. It's been unthawed for a whole day. So it's at room temperature. It's a little cooled down because it was in the fridge. But... Alright, so take your favorite steak rub. I'm gonna use the keg. You can use whatever you want. I got a ton up there, so whatever you choose. Simple. Can't get any more simple than this. Put your steak rub on. Press it in. Make sure it's in there good. In the steak fibers, and the steak grains, whatever you want to call them. Both sides. Right. Press it in. Make sure it's good and pressed inside the meat. And then we will meet you outside in the steaks. Alright, so we got our barbecue heated right up to 400 almost degrees Fahrenheit. We got our steaks. Now here's the trick. Open the lid and I'm gonna turn this almost all the way down to minimal. So like this is minimal, just a little above it. So maybe a quarter turn, maybe-ish. Maybe a little less. Temperature's down. I'm gonna give it maybe 30 seconds. Maybe 20 seconds. And then I'm gonna pop my steaks on. As you can hear, they're sizzling. I'm gonna pop them right on there. Good. I'm gonna give it probably another 10 or 20 seconds before I close the lid. I just want all that hot air to get out because this will cook way too fast if you shut it and keep it in there with that hot heat. So you wanna have all that hot air escape, but you can have the surface hot. That's fine. Okay, so it's been about 10-15 seconds. I'll give her a close. And we'll give her a little bit of time. Alright, it's been 6 minutes. We're gonna come back at these steaks. We're gonna flip them one time. And that's a little bit too much sizzle for my liking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lower the heat a bit. Keep the lid open a little longer here. If you like barbecue sauce, now would be the time to spread on some barbecue sauce after you flip. I might even leave it lid open for about a minute. And then I'll come back and shut it. And then it's pretty much done. Okay, after we flipped the steaks, we're back out at the barbecue 5 minutes later, and I had to shut the lid a minute after I flipped them. They're pretty much done. So let's take them off. And And it looks to me as though they're a little more cooked than I like them, but most people like their steak cooked about medium rare, so that's what I imagine these are going to be. Let's take them inside and cook them, or cut them up. And all right, let's cut it into our steak and see how it tastes. I got it about medium rare. And this is grass-fed, grass-finished, so mean meat. Let me tell you. Tender.